Hello there! This is Teacher Algie, and I will join you today in your journey in exploring the world of computer system servicing. Are you ready? Be sure you have your pen, paper, or notebook. So, to start with, let us recall our past lesson on creating a portable bootable device. Well done! You got it all right! Can you recognize these pictures? Right! These are Windows operating systems in different versions. Which version of Windows OS is your favorite? Awesome! That's my favorite too! You want to know how to install a Windows operating system? Well then, are you ready? Let's go! Oops! Before that, I will first introduce the 3 words or phrases you will encounter throughout this lesson. We will have it as a game. It is called Complete Me. In this game, you will complete the words or phrases based on the given meaning. You will be given 5 seconds for each item. Are you ready? Number 1. It is a logical division on a hard disk drive that enables a PC to have different drives. Correct! It is partition. Number 2. It is a 25-character code that is used to activate Windows. Got it! It is product key. Number 3. It is the required specifications a device must have in order to use the operating system. Correct! It is system requirements. Wow! You got it all right again! Now that you have learned the 3 difficult words or phrases, I believe you are now ready for our lesson. For today, we will be installing Windows 10 operating system. But there are a few things we need to know before we can proceed to install. Here are the system requirements that we need to consider before proceeding. For the processor, we need at least 1 GHz or faster processor. For the random access memory, we need at least 1 GB for 32-bit or 2 GB for 64-bit. For the hard disk space, we need at least 16 GB for 32-bit OS or 20 GB for 64-bit OS. For the graphics card, we need DirectX 9 or later with WDDM 1.0 driver. For the display, we need at least 800 by 600. Did you get it? Nice one! Now, let's prepare the materials we need. Ensure that we have the bootable flash drive, the one that we created in the previous lesson, and the system unit. Let's begin. We have 13 simple steps to follow.
First step. While your computer is turned off, insert the bootable flash drive with Windows 10 operating system into a USB port on your system unit. Second step. Turn on your computer. Press Delete or F12 on the keyboard depending on your system to access the boot menu. Third step. Select your flash drive from the boot menu. Fourth step. Wait for the operating system installer to load, indicating a loading screen. Fifth step. You are now ready to install the Windows 10 operating system. Click Next when prompted. Sixth step. Click Install Now. Seventh step. Enter your Windows 10 product key, then click Next. If you don't have a Windows 10 product key, instead, click I don't have a product key in the bottom right corner of the screen. Eighth step. Select the type of Windows 10 operating system you want to install. For this example, we will select Windows 10 Pro and click Next. Ninth step. Read the Microsoft Software License Terms and check I accept the license term box and click Next. This means you accept the terms of use. 10th step. If you are from older version of Windows and you want to upgrade, you can select Upgrade. This option will install Windows 10 while preserving your files, apps, and settings. If you want to have a clean install of Windows 10, select Custom. For this lesson, we will select Custom. 11th step. We will delete all partitions of our storage and create new ones. Observe that the system automatically created a few partitions intended for our system to work properly. We will not touch those partitions, and we will proceed to install Windows 10 operating system on the last partition in the list. In this case, we will select the partition with 111.2 GB of free space and click Next. 12th step. The installer will now start the process. Let's wait for Windows 10 to finish the installation. This process may take anywhere from half an hour to several hours, depending on your computer's processing speed. During the installation, your computer will restart several times. Thirteenth step. Just follow the on-screen setup instructions. Once Windows 10 has been installed on your computer, you'll be able to customize its settings. Example, your region, keyboard, network, account, settings, and etc. Once you finish this process, you will be taken to your computer's desktop.
There you have it! Isn't it so easy? Now that you know how to install Windows 10 operating system, let's have a quick generalization of the procedures.
In installing Windows 10 operating system, we prepared the needed requirements. We turned on computer and select bootable flash drive from the boot menu. We then begin to install the Windows 10 operating system. We selected our preferred version of Windows 10. We selected Custom Install. We deleted all partitions and created new ones. We installed on the desired partition. We waited for the installation process to finish. Lastly, we selected desired Windows settings.
And voila! We have just installed a Windows 10 operating system on your computer.
Now, get your pen and paper and answer this activity. The images that will be presented are screenshots of our Windows 10 operating system installation. From the 13 simple steps we did, identify what step is presented on the screenshot. Write your answer on your notebook. A. Second step. Press Delete or F12 depending on your system to access the boot menu. B. Eighth step. Click the Accept box and click Next. This means you accept the terms of use. C. Fourth step. Wait for the operating system installer to load, indicating a loading screen. Correct! It's letter C. A. First step. While your computer is turned off, insert the bootable flash drive with Windows 10 operating system into a USB port on your system unit. B. Sixth step. Click Install Now. C. Third step. Select your flash drive from the boot menu. Correct! It's letter B. A. 11th step. The installer will now start the process. Let's wait for Windows 10 to finish the installation. B. 9th step. Read and accept the Microsoft software license terms and click Next. C. 3rd step. Select your flash drive from the boot menu. Correct! It's letter B.
Keep it up! Congratulations! Please join and have fun with me again on our next episode. This is Teacher Algie, and let me leave you with these words from Luis that goes, computers are magnificent tools for the realization of our dreams, but no machine can replace the human spark of spirit, compassion, love, and understanding. Stay healthy and have a good day. Goodbye!